Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about CNC machine job work. Before we dive into the world of wood routing, we want to remind you of the importance of supporting content creators like us. By hitting the like and subscribe buttons, you're not only showing your support for our channel, but you're also ensuring that you never miss out on any of our future videos. So, before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and let's get started on creating beautiful woodwork together. CNC, or computer numerical control, is a type of manufacturing process that uses computer-controlled machines to create precision parts. These machines can be programmed to cut, drill, and mill a wide variety of materials with extreme precision. One of the main advantages of CNC machines is their ability to perform repetitive tasks with a high degree of accuracy. This makes them ideal for mass production and for creating complex parts with intricate designs. CNC machine job work is a service provided by manufacturing companies that specializes in CNC machining. These companies have the necessary equipment and expertise to create precision parts to customers' specifications. They can also offer design and prototyping services, as well as finishing and assembly services. CNC job work can be used for a wide range of applications, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and industrial manufacturing. The most common materials used in CNC job work are metals such as aluminum, steel, and titanium, but also plastics and composites can be machined with CNC. The process of CNC job work starts with the design of the part or component. The design is then converted into a computer program that the CNC machine can understand. This program tells the machine how to move its cutting tool and what path to follow to create the desired shape. Once the program is loaded into the machine, the operator will make sure the machine is properly set up and the right tools are loaded. Then, the machine will start the machining process, cutting, drilling or milling the part according to the program. CNC machine job work is a cost-effective way to produce precision parts with a high degree of accuracy. The machines are highly precise, fast, and efficient, and they can be used to create complex parts with intricate designs. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future videos.